Good morning children. In this video, we are going to discuss about the textual exercises of the lesson. Our festivals. Pages are 50 to 53. Children, open your textbook. Now we will start our textual exercises. First, I now know. I now know. Children, firstly you are seeing I now know heading. Under that, some of the points are there we will discuss. Okay? There are three kinds of celebrations and festivals in India. What are they, children? National days, religious festivals, harvest festivals. We have discussed in the video 1 about the Independence Day, National Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. They comes under the national days. Okay children? The national days are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Some religious festivals are Diwali, Holi, Dashara, Eid, Guru Purab, Christmas and Navroz. We have discussed about this in the second video. They are the religious festivals. Coming to the fourth point children. Some harvest festivals are Bihu, Pongal, Onam and Baisakhi. These in the third video we have discussed, right? They are the harvest festivals. We celebrate the birthdays of some great people too. Have you remembered children? Birthdays we have discussed. That we celebrate the birthdays of some great peoples too in the third video. Next, coming to words to remember. Words to remember. Festival. A day or period of religious or other celebration. It is known as festival. Next, coming to independence. Being free, not being controlled by other people. Samadhi. A monument to the memory of a dead person erected over their ashes. Diya. A small oil lamp. Langar. Common kitchen in a Gurudwara where food is served to all the visitors for free. Kolan. A traditional decorative pattern made on the floor using rice powder. Okay children, coming to exercises. First, a bit. With whose birthday do you associate the following? Children, with whose birthday do you associate the following? First one, Christmas. With whose birthday you will associate? Yes, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Next, Children's Day. Children's Day, Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct children, write down. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal. Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Buddha Purnima. Third one is Buddha Purnima. With whose birthday we will associate? Yes, Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha. Write down children. Gautama. Gautama. Buddha. Buddha. Fourth one, Mahavir Jayanti. Yes, Mahavir. Fourth one is Mahavir. Fifth one, Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi. MAHATMA महात्मा गांधी. GANDHI Mahatma Gandhi. Sixth and the last children, Teachers Day. Radha Krishnan as Radha Krishnan. S. Dot RADHA KRISHNAN. Okay, children. Now we have completed our A bit. Coming to the next B bit. What is that? On which date do we celebrate the following? Once again, children. On which date do we celebrate the following? First one, Independence Day. On which day? Yes, 15th August. 15th August. AUGUST. Second one, Republic Day. On which date, children? 26th January. 26th January. Third one, Teachers Day. It is on 5th September. Fourth one, Children's Day on 14th November. It is on 14th November. Fifth one, Navroz. It is on 21st March. It is on 21st March. Christmas on 25th December. 25th December. Once again, children, on which date do we celebrate the following? First one, Independence Day on 15th August, Republic Day on 26th January, Teachers Day on 5th September, Children's Day 14th November, Navroz 21st March, Christmas 25th December. Okay, children. Coming to the next, write true or false for false. True or false for the statements. First one, Navroz is celebrated by the Parsi community. Yes, it is true. It is true, children. Write T. Next, Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Yes, true. We got our independence from the British rule in 1957? No, it is false. Write F, children, for the false. In Andhra Pradesh, the harvest festival is called Pongal. No, it is false. Fifth one, the Golden Temple is at Ambala. False. It is false. The answers are true, true, false, false and false. Children, in the debate, answer the following questions. These questions are given in the notes in the PDF form. Okay, children? Okay, children. Coming to multiple choice questions. First one, dash is prepared on Eid ul Fitr. First one, dash is prepared on Eid ul Fitr. A. Srikhand. B. Kheer. C. Saviyan. Yes, it is C. Second, dash is called the festival of colors. A. Holi. B. Diwali. C. Bihu. A. Holi. Small letter N. Third one, Mahatma Gandhi is called the dash of the nation. A. Son. B. Father. C. Brother. It is B, children. Father. Small b. Fourth one, during dash, people draw columns to decorate their houses. A. Pongal. B. Holi. C. Bihu. It is a Pongal. Fifth one, Teachers' Day is celebrated on birthday of dash. A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Radhakrishnan. It is C, children. Children, notes is given to you in PDF form. Write it slowly, neatly, one by one. First new words, next 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks, and last answer one word. Okay, children? Thank you.